The thing about America is,
Well, thing is that we never let anything hold this great nation down.
Bullshit, just look at us. In the words of Kanye, racism still alive, they just be concealing it, you fucks.
Mate, you guys are a bunch of pussy, yanks, fat retards with little knowledge about geography. Stray cunt, Aussie Aussie Aussie, oi oi oi.
The fuck did you say?
motherfucker, who invited this guy?
Tim, why must you insist on being a complete, fucking, knob?
Hey, fuck you man.
People, nothing is ever sorted out by oppression. Now let's just all settle down and enjoy a nice Samuel Adams.
The only thing being oppressed here, mate, is my nuts. In this fucking suit, you need to shut up for I knock you one.